What's going on, guys? Chad Avery here at MarineMax Jupiter, and today we're on the Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. Let's get right to it. So this boat's equipped with a 200 horsepower V6 Mercury engine. It's a 4-stroke. Now on both port and starboard, you're gonna have seats here. There's an option for the backrest, which plugs right into these 2 rod holders. So you can either sit on top and have the backrest, or you can flip this latch up, and then you have a cushion down here. I'm about 6 foot myself, and I feel very comfortable sitting in here. The gunnel's definitely high enough where I feel secure. I have a grab railing right in front of me. I also have a cup holder to my left. That's super important. See, in the back of the boat here, we have 2 JL audio speakers. See, moving up to the console, we have 4 rod holders here on the backrest, bait well underneath, as well as storage for 2 knives and maybe a pair of pliers right here. We have 2 more cup holders, 1 on either side, as well as 4 more rod holders off the rocket launcher hardtop. Let's see, you have storage on both port and starboard here. See, the seat is bolstered, so you can either have it up or you can have it down. See, at the helm, we have trim tabs, your throttle, 2 more cup holders, a little storage compartment here. Probably tuck a cell phone in there. See, all your switches that you need on the boat. You have your speed, RPM gauge, your JL audio, as well as a Simrad electronic system. Then you have 2 charging ports here. One's just a USB, one's a 12 volt. And at the top of the console, you have your compass. Let's see. And actually above the console here, you have storage. Probably tuck away some life jackets here. It just easily unzips right here. You can slip them in. Working our way up to the front of the boat, we're gonna have a grab railing on both sides that runs from maybe about midship, so almost all the way up to the front of the boat. You have more seating here. This is a nice Yeti cooler, 65 quart. You can fit 2 people here, 1 on either side. And actually, while you're sitting here, you can easily grab on if you want, and you have 2 cup holders on either side, as well as 2 more JL audio speakers. Now, moving forward more, you have a nice storage compartment here. The storage compartment has a drain in it, if any water were to get in there. And then in front of that, you have your anchor locker, easily accessible. And this boat is equipped with the optional panel if you wanted to add a trolling motor here. That's going to come from the factory that way. 1 cleat here where after you anchor up, you can easily tie off to that. And that's going to conclude our walkthrough video today on the Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. If you want to inquire about a boat just like this, or maybe you have some questions, you can call us at MarineMax Jupiter. Thank you.